Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, market analyst at Gelatomo Management. Gold climbed higher and higher yesterday evening right through to this morning, reaching a high of 1346.33 before hitting resistance. Improving GDP numbers from Germany, France and the Eurozone on the whole helped trigger interest for gold, and also the metal received safe haven attention during the protest violence in Egypt. We have a lot of US data in store for us today that could affect gold. We have core PPI, we have the Empire State and Philadelphia regions manufacturing indexes, and we also have a weekly jobless claims. These figures could give more clues as to when the Fed will begin trimming down the bond buying. Let's just take a look at the charts. So yesterday I looked at the 1 hour chart and I drew a channel like so. Like that. If price had shown signs of bouncing off this upper side of a channel, it would have been a good time to sell. Maybe if you had have drilled down into the 5 minute or 15 minute and looked for a shooting star at this level, that would have been a good time to sell. But as you can see, price never showed a sign of bouncing. It was just quite strong in its movement upwards. So the time to sell never actually occurred. But anyway, it's broken through this upper side of a channel. Maybe the majority of the market didn't recognise this channel, but it is worth drawing these lines just in case. But anyway, let's just move on. I'll delete them lines now and just look at the 4 hour chart. This yellow line here was a previous line that I had already drawn, because on the 23rd of July it spiked up to 1347, so that was a significant high. So I decided to draw a yellow line showing that that could be potential resistance in the future, and lo and behold, it has become resistance. So this morning we have seen it spike as high as 1346.33, just under the high made on the 23rd of July. We have a shooting star. The shooting star had pierced the upper Bollinger band but then closed back within the bands. So it looks like a good time to sell, because we've had a bounce off resistance, a shooting star, and we have a piercing of the upper Bollinger band, but now price is back trading within that Bollinger band. So it's indicating that we could see price drift down. The logical place to put your stop loss would just be the other side of the resistance. Target level, well, you could target support at 1315 if you are quite ambitious, because this is 1315 is a probable level for support, because it's quite a significant high low. But just be aware that this set of data today is going to be influential, potentially highly influential. So when we do get economic data that can impact, technicals can go out of the window, unfortunately. So if you are in a profitable position by the time we get the US data at 1:30 GMT today, maybe just exit the market accordingly, according to whatever's happening, according to economic data that's coming through. So that's all I can say really, but it would be a good time to sell and maybe liquidate when you make a few dollars profit, or if the price starts moving aggressively against you. Right, so thank you very much for listening. I'll speak to you again same time tomorrow.